I'm so happy for today's video because today is going to be a Christmas baking video, and all we're going to do is bake delicious and yummy Christmas cookies. Now, last year I did make gingerbread men and they turned out very good. However, I need to work on my icing skills because when I iced my gingerbread men, I don't know what happened. The icing, I think it was just too runny. So I need to be very careful on how much milk, cream, or whatever, liquid that you add to your confectionate sugar, that it's just very little. That way the icing does not turn runny. So we're gonna make Christmas cookies today. We're gonna make our Christmas sugar cookies, gingerbread men. We are going to start off first with our gingerbread men because I do want to chill the dough a little bit in the fridge. So I want to knock out that one first. So we are going to go into the kitchen now and start on the gingerbread men cookies. Here are all my ingredients, and don't mind the pineapple. I actually need to slice that pineapple, but here are all the ingredients that I have, and I have a few more in the pantry that I probably need to pull out. And I'm so excited because I bought these little snowmen measuring spoons this year, so excited to use them. But yeah, here are all my ingredients, and I have a few more in the pantry if I need to pull them out, but I am ready. We're about to be on a sugar high as we consume all these cookies. Okay, I have my hair tied back and I'm ready to start baking. So, also I wanted to let you know that every cookie that I bake, it will be linked in the description box. So I'm hoping that you guys find some time and make some Christmas cookies this season. So let's get started on our gingerbread men.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. But we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together. All the way on, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store for us. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true this part of the year.
Here is my first round of gingerbread man cookies. And they look okay. I think I need to add just a tad bit more flour because the dough was kind of sticking to the countertop. But overall, they look so cute. So I'm about to put these guys in the oven and make one more batch with the leftover dough and roll this dough out. Probably gonna add a little bit more flour to this batch here. But these guys are about to go in the oven and start on our next round.
Merry Christmas, baby.
How adorable. Look how cute they look. So the first batch is done, the second batch is in the oven, and I think I messed up his arm. Look at his little arm. It's okay though. They look so cute, and now I'm just waiting for them to cool and then the other batch to get out the oven, and then we'll start icing them. So I'm going to start making the little icing for them now.
Putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chairs.
Gingerbread cookies are done, and I will say they still look like they did last year. So I blamed it on the icing last year. I think it's me, guys. I cannot decorate cookies to save my life. But there are those cookies that look so perfect for being imperfect. So I think they look cute and quirky. And I don't know, like there's something about making gingerbread man cookies around this time of the year, around for Christmas. Like these are like my little go-to Christmas cookies. However, they're not the prettiest. So let me show you what I have created. I cannot ice cookies to save my life. Some of them look like they're mad. Look at that one. He looks like he's mad. He looks like he's mad. That face is just, I don't know. But they still look cute. I do love them. So anything that's like has molasses and the spices of a gingerbread man cookie, I absolutely love. I love that taste, that spice taste. So these are going to pair very well with coffee. Okay, gingerbread man cookies are done. They're hanging out back there, and we'll go ahead and plate all the cookies towards the end. So now we're going to start on our Christmas sugar cookies. And as much as I love a good gingerbread man cookie around this time of the year, there's nothing better than eating a good old Christmas sugar cookie. And then once the cookies are done, we'll go ahead and ice them and decorate them. And I obviously still need help on my icing skills, but slowly but surely, I'll perfect it. So we'll start on the sugar cookies now. This dough was easier to manage than the gingerbread man dough. So I'm about to put these in the oven, and I hope they turn out nice and golden. That way we can go ahead and ice them and throw little Christmas sprinkles on top of them. coming out. So cute. Now I have to get some more into the oven, and then I'm gonna save that batch for a later time. So I'm just gonna bake these guys here, and then we'll get to decorating, and then we'll be able to enjoy our cookies. Here are the other cookies, and on this batch here, the little edges got a little bit golden, a little bit more toasty than the others, but I guarantee you they're still going to be just as good. So now I am going to call Travis, and I'm going to have him decorate the cookies with me. Maybe his decorating cookie game is a lot better than mine, but I figure we're going to take the cookies, bring them by the Christmas tree, and just have a moment and decorate them. So I think it'll be fun doing that. So I'm going to get all the cookies together, make our way into the living room, and decorate our cookies. And then I will probably make us some decaf coffee or latte, and we will enjoy some of the cookies that we baked today. So I am going to go grab him and get going. Just finished decorating and icing the sugar cookies, and they look so cute. And something about doing things homemade, they're not perfect, but they're so perfect at the same time. So Travis definitely has better icing skills than I do, but here are our cookies. I don't want them to fall. But yes, here they are, and I love them. And then we have our little gingerbread men that we baked today, and these are definitely not perfect, but again, so perfect in their own little way. Here's a cute little guy, close up, as you can see. Definitely need to learn how to ice them, but I had so much fun baking, and we're gonna definitely enjoy these cookies with coffee and lattes and snack on them at night. But I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and also these recipes that I used today, I did find them on Pinterest, and I will have them linked in my description box. So again, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye.